Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Gmail tabs effectively. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a crowded inbox or wished for a more organized way to manage your messages, then this guide is for you. Gmail's tab system can really help streamline your emails and make your inbox more efficient, so let's dive right in. First, open your Gmail account in your preferred web browser. If you're not logged in yet, just enter your credentials to access your inbox. Once you're inside, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with some quick settings, but for what we want to do today, you'll need to go a little deeper. Click on the option that says See All Settings. This will open the full Gmail settings page. At the top of this page, you'll find several tabs. Locate and click on the one labeled Inbox. This is where you can adjust how your inbox is organized. In the section labeled Inbox Type, make sure you've selected Default. Choosing this option enables Gmail's tabbed inbox view, which neatly categorizes your messages into different tabs, such as Primary, Social, Promotions, and others. Now scroll down slightly and you'll see a section called Categories. Here you can choose which tabs appear in your inbox by checking or unchecking the boxes. For example, you might keep Primary for personal messages, Social for updates from social networks, Promotions for marketing emails, and Updates for notifications or bills. Pick whichever combination works best for your workflow. Once you've made your selections, don't forget the most important step. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Without saving, your updates won't take effect, so make sure you do this. After saving, head back to your inbox and you'll immediately notice the new tabs at the top. Each incoming email will now automatically sort itself into the appropriate tab, making it easier for you to focus on what's most important first. If you'd like even more organization, you can also create custom labels. Look to the left sidebar of your inbox and find the small plus icon next to labels. Click it, and a box will appear where you can enter the name of your new label. This can be used for things like a specific client, a project, or any category that matters to you. Once named, click Create, and your new label will appear in the sidebar, ready to be used. And that's it. By enabling Gmail tabs and adding labels, you can keep your inbox clean, reduce clutter, and improve your productivity. No more digging through dozens of emails to find what you need. Everything will be right where it belongs. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it with others who might benefit, and of course, subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-follow guides just like this.